So to get our wings crispy, we're going to be dredging them in a dry batter consisting of flour and baking powder. Now, you're going to want to have equal amounts of each. So make sure you keep up with how much flour you put in there, because you're going to want to put an equal amount of baking powder in there. Next, you're going to want to toss, like I said, dredge your wings, all of your wing sections, in that baking powder and flour mixture, and then just set them aside while you get the grill ready. All right, y'all, the coals are ready. So let's get these coals dumped. Here we go. We're just going to divide these coals evenly between the two baskets. A couple of them came out. Woo, it's hot in there. No way these ain't getting crispy, bruh. Put these on very carefully. I'm going to add some wood chunks to both sides. So we'll put a couple of pieces on this side. Put some on the other side as well, so I can get them to stay on top of the coals. Now let's put the lid on. Let this grate get nice and hot while I go get the turkey wings. I think I'm gonna come out here maybe every 10 minutes or so and just rotate this lid a little bit so I can make sure that everybody's getting the same amount of smoke.